Hi, my name is Ali and I'm her son, Rahessa. We came here for, she had a back pain actually. So we came here in emergency. Based on the diagnosis, it came out that she also has hernia problem, which then caught attention of Dr. Aloy.
Mrs. Rahessa Begum was a 60-year-old lady from New Delhi who had presented to us in January 2024, referred from the Department of Orthopedics with backache. Now, interestingly, this backache could not be cured despite trying different modes of investigation like an MRI and physiotherapy after that subsequently. They could not really cure the backache and it kept on persisting.
She used to have constant pain, as and when she will eat something, there will be pain in her stomach. There were, she had an operation 4 or 5 years back. Because of that, some complication over the period of time due to weakness.
She had multiple abdominal wall procedures, starting with a hysterectomy. Now, what happened after the hysterectomy was she had loss of domain in the abdominal wall, which caused the curvature of the abdominal wall to project forward. So this was actually the cause of backache, which was unnoticed, and this problem could be identified, delineated and taken care of.
But Dr. Mukherjee built us, gave us so much of confidence that we need not to worry. He will take care of everything and it will not be an open surgery like a major. She was afraid of that. But he gave us, thorough detail about how this surgery is going to be. There will be 5-6 puncture wounds and they will use some new technology and they will perform the surgery.
Now, we did an abdominal wall reconstruction on her with correction of the abdominal wall defects and maintaining the core stability. Now, this is for something to understand that if you have unexplained back pain and history of abdominal wall surgery, so it is prudent for you to consider the fact that the abdominal wall projecting forward can cause a change in the curvature of the spine, causing people to have this long-standing backaches. So we had identified and corrected this problem, and concomitantly we did her lap cholecystectomy. She returned home a happy lady and we were very happy.
So he's really good at what he does. I'll say he's best. We normally call him hero at home because he gave us the ray of hope which we were actually just looking from the God. Thanks to staff of the Apollo and management and everybody, and obviously Dr. Mukherjee leading the way and representing Apollo, building that trust that Apollo can do it. And obviously it obviously happened because of Dr. Mukherjee and his supporting staff. Thanks.